Gustav Radbruch, a prominent legal philosopher, is known for his belief that law is intrinsically tied to moral values. According to Radbruch, the concept of law is not absolute and is instead influenced by the moral principles of the society in which it operates. This neo-Kantian approach to law emphasizes the idea that the notions of right and justice are not static but rather dynamic, changing based on the prevailing values and circumstances. Radbruch's philosophy of law can be understood within the context of his broader views on legal positivism and natural law. While legal positivism holds that the validity of law is based on social facts and conventions, natural law posits that there are fundamental moral principles that underpin all legal systems. Radbruch's perspective integrates these two theories by asserting that law is indeed a product of social norms and conventions, but it is also inherently connected to moral values. One of the key elements of Radbruch's philosophy of law is the concept of legal certainty. He believed that legal rules should provide clear and predictable guidelines for individuals and that the application of these rules should result in just outcomes. However, Radbruch also acknowledged that there are instances where a strict adherence to legal certainty may lead to unjust results. In such cases, he argued that moral considerations should take precedence over legal rules. Another important aspect of Radbruch's legal philosophy is his theory of legal contradictions. He proposed that in situations where a legal rule conflicts with fundamental moral principles, the moral principles should prevail. This idea challenges the traditional view that legal rules always take precedence over moral considerations and reflects Radbruch's belief in the inherent connection between law and morality. Furthermore, Radbruch's philosophy of law addresses the role of judges in interpreting and applying the law. He argued that judges have a responsibility to consider not only the letter of the law but also the underlying moral values that inform it. According to Radbruch, the judiciary plays a crucial role in ensuring that the law aligns with the ethical principles of society and that justice is upheld in legal decision-making.